Guys, in this video I'm just going to unbox a 56 Ford F100 HW hard cars, and this is 1x10 and 187x250. This is just Queen, right? The playing cards scripted here. So here I'm going to see this back side of this 56 Ford F100 FYC20. So I'm just going to take this out. Wow, they have also mentioned it's not the same without the flames. So see, superb cool wheels, bottom is completely blue, and the Queen, it's a graphic is there, and it's a 2 seats, backside two doors is there. On top of this, playing cards, graphics is there, it's a Queen is written. And see this front side, front view is very cool, super, it's a very detailed. And this is engine right, and backside 2 doors, silencer. I like this very much. See this on top, the graphics is in very detailed. I like this very much. Completely white, red, yellow, red, black, everything is there, colors. Wheel also, it's a chalk maroon. Actually wheels is not moving properly. You know what happened to this, it's got stuck. But overall is very cool. Cool wheels. So it's gonna be in my collections. If you want, you can buy it from Amazon. So yes, now I fixed it, it's moving properly now. Wow, so superb colors. It's gonna be in my collections. That's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. And I got this in 2019 only, and case K, I guess. So okay, this is super cool. That's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.